Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character xie step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write xie. Song. Few. For example, 有些 some, somewhat. I have some worries.我有些担心。我有些担心。I have some worries. 我有些担心。Share in cursive. Share, some, few, 有些 some, somewhat. I have some worries. 我有些担心。Please comment any sentence with the character xie. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.